If you listen to most people today, most teachers, most gurus today out there, they will tell you that the only way to succeed in affiliate marketing is becoming an influencer, right? Have that megaphone here, create the dancing videos, or chase people on Instagram, DM people on Facebook, and then you will be able to make sales, right? They tell you to post 5 times on Instagram, spend your entire afternoon sending cold DMs to people over on Facebook or on Instagram, and sometimes even go on that Zoom calls to convince other people to buy from you, buy your product. But the problem is that most people are not like this. We are like this. We are introverts, and that's exactly what the topic is today. That is affiliate marketing for introverts, how to make sales without any sales call, without any DMs, and without showing your face, right? Everyone is teaching this, everyone is teaching to do this, and here we are thinking like, what exactly do we need to do that won't burn us out, right? You don't really want to chase people in order to sell something, and you definitely do not want to do the Zoom calls in order to make that money. It doesn't matter if you're an affiliate, if you're a coach who are selling his own product or maybe some services, right? We are this guy. So how can we really make sales as an affiliate marketer or as a service provider? And that's exactly what I'm going to talk about in this video. We are going to be that silent affiliate, and I'll show you how to build a business, an automated business that works for you even if you hate selling. So make sure to take notes. Okay, so here I am going to talk about two topics here. It looks like a jargon, but it's not. Let me tell you that. So introverts here have a massive advantage, right? So introverts have massive advantage in selling, right? How? Like, you might be like, how is that possible? Well, that's because we prefer to use systems, right? We prefer to use systems instead of going and doing that small talk that I just talked about. Instead of doing the synchronous selling, which means you talking to someone in real time, we use asynchronous selling. This means we build an asset, right? We build a digital asset that does the job for us. Once you build this will sell for you. This will do the job for you, right? You do not have to wait and go on that Zoom calls or post 5 times a day and such. So even if you are sleeping or even if you are on your 9 to 5 jobs, this will work on your behalf, right? You are not selling in the traditional sense here, right? You're simply providing a logical path to your prospects, right? Logical path, right? Your product is the only logical path, only logical next step for them once they go through your asset that you built. You do not need to be heard, you just need to be right. Here is why people like us fail. A lot of people like us fail, right? Let me just explain that here. So most of us introverts, for example, what we do is we just use the traditional funnel. We just send traffic to few people directly sends to sales page, which is completely wrong. And few people like us use an outdated model of simple opt-in funnel and then gets to the sales page, and we do our email follow-ups here that gets sent all over to the sales page and other assets in order to sell our product, right? Yes, nothing wrong with that. But the problem is it's now broken. It's not working as well as before. What we need to do is we need to create that bridge, right? So we need to create that bridge between the offer and the visitor, and that bridge is the asset that I talked about, right? That bridge is the digital asset that I talked about, which does all the work. It's not just one video there, right? It's not just one article or something, right? If you want to learn more, you can click the link in the description and you will know exactly what I'm talking about. But anyway, you use a structure on this bridge section. This is not a page, okay? This is not a page. This is an entire section that your visitor goes through. It includes the opt-in funnel. It includes the thank you page. It includes the videos, right? So everything is in this bridge funnel, the visitor, bridge, right? And it goes to the product at the end. Like, you do not show them the product right away. You show the product and people buy from you and you make $300, $500 or $700, anything high ticket. For low ticket, you do not really need to all this. You do not need to do all this work. Okay. So again, basically this bridge is ethical influence psychological triggers and psychological triggers to do the peeling for them, right? If you don't understand what I mean by peeling, you need to watch my previous video. It's full of value. Make sure you watch that after you watch this video, right? You will understand it completely, what I'm talking about here. So when you do this, right? When you use the content that addresses the real problems that your audience have, when you address that real problem that audience have, you guide those people throughout an aha moment. Let's say through a series of aha moments for them. If you do this, right? If you do this enough, you do not need to jump on a sales call to explain the value of that product that you are promoting, right? So your funnel that you are going to set up, right? Instead of sending the visitors to the opt-in page and have your asset, a digital asset, which we call bridge. This is not a page. This is series of assets, series of little content pieces that will build that ethical influence. I mean, you will use the ethical influence and those psychological triggers to give the real problem to their real solution. You expose that solution and then give your offer as the only logical path, only next path that they need to take. And if they have the means to do it, they will purchase your $300, $500, $700,000 product, right? So once you build this thing, all you need to do is focus on bringing people, focus on the traffic, whether it's a paid ads or whether it's free traffic. Okay, the funnel has already done your work once these people come in, and the prospect, when they arrive to this checkout page here, it's not because you convince them, but it's because it's the only logical step for their success, right? Only logical next step. I hope you are understanding me here. Please watch this video if you have to again, because this is incredible stuff, right? I spent money to learn this stuff, learn the psychology, learn how to convert, even if you have tiny bits of traffic, into multiple $1,000 commissions. Now, if you are the same, like if you're using the old funnel, or if you're just grinding out there without really having an aim, without really having a goal properly, or maybe you don't really know what exactly are you doing, then you actually need to click the link in the description and watch the training for the banana funnel that I use. For the banana funnel that I use to sell the high ticket offers. Just use this funnel into your business, whatever affiliate offer that you're promoting, and it should bring you commissions into your affiliate dashboard, right? Who doesn't want to see those $300, those $500 commissions a pop on their affiliate dashboard? So click that link in the description below and see how you can build a silent, high converting business starting today. All right, I will see you there. Cheers.